need a simple way to expose Python functions so AI models can call them like tools. You'll see how to create an AI callable greeting tool in just 5 lines of code using FastMCP's decorator pattern. Then run it locally or deploy it to the cloud. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. MCP equals FastMCP, my MCP server. At MCP, tool. Def greet name, SDR. Return F hello, name. This demonstrates the tool registration pattern for creating AI callable microservices. The decorator-based approach transforms ordinary Python functions into remotely accessible tools while preserving native type hints and execution semantics. What makes this distinctive is how it bridges the gap between local Python code and distributed systems without requiring transport-specific boilerplate. The pattern works by using decorators as declarative metadata markers. When you apply at MCP tool, the framework automatically registers the function as an endpoint, generates OpenAPI-compatible schemas from type annotations, and handles all serialization. This creates a clean separation where your business logic remains pure Python, while the framework manages discovery, validation, and protocol compliance in the background. This approach matters because it eliminates the traditional friction in building RPC services. You avoid writing manual route handlers, request parsers, or response serializers, while gaining automatic documentation and type safety. It's particularly valuable for AI integrations where you need to expose backend logic to language models or other services, but want to maintain a simple, testable codebase without framework lock-in. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating AI callable tools. It bridges Python functions to AI models by exposing them as structured tools with type hints and docstrings defining the schema. MCP equals FastMCP, my MCP server. This initializes the FastMCP server instance, the central coordinator for all AI callable tools. The string parameter, my MCP server, identifies this instance in logs and error messages, enabling traceability across distributed systems. At MCP tool. The at MCP tool decorator registers this function as an AI callable tool. It converts Python type hints and docstrings into a structured schema that AI models use to understand and invoke the function. This is FastMCP's core pattern for exposing capabilities to AI systems. Def greet name, SDR. This defines an AI callable tool function with strict type hints. The name, SDR parameter enforces string input, while the SDR return annotation guarantees string output, ensuring predictable behavior for AI integration. FastMCP uses these type hints to auto-generate the tool's schema and validate calls. Return F hello, name. This constructs the tool's response string using an F string. The name parameter gets interpolated from the function argument, creating a dynamic greeting that matches the tool's declared return type. This pattern ensures the output is both type-safe and human-readable for AI model consumption. FastMCP tool exposure pattern. The at MCP tool decorator transforms ordinary Python functions into AI callable endpoints, handling schema generation and transport automatically. Watch out, tool names become part of the API contract, so rename carefully to avoid breaking clients. Key takeaway: this single decorator bridges Python logic and AI interactions without boilerplate. Part 2 of our FastMCP 2 series. Next, we'll examine server configuration and lifespan management.
The function doesn't know it's a tool until the decorator tells it so.